हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू शिखा's पंकी फैमिली। आज है हमारी एनिवर्सरी और हमने मिलकर डेकोरेशन की है जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। तो आइए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हमने कैसे डेकोरेशन की है। प्लीज़ कम। So friends, here's decoration started with these beautiful Diwali lights which we have purchased on Diwali. Yes, these are also known as rice lights. Here I have used 3 to 4 lights and it looks very beautiful, as you can see. Next is this DIY frame. Here we can also click our photographs. And next is very beautiful tent which is made from simple bamboo sticks and with bed sheets. It also looks very beautiful and elegant, as you can see. And we have planned it for our romantic dinner, moonlight dinner. On table we have decorated with these candles and this candle holder. Next is this campfire, as there are winters here. And then this beautiful cake table in which we have put the cake in the beautiful cake basket which we have also made ourselves. In this table we have also put some glasses and juices. And next is the sitting area full of decoration. Here we have decorated using foil curtains which are easily available on market. And then this DIY strings, heartstrings, and here I have put sofa cum bed for sitting. And in this side I have put side table for decoration. So here the celebration begins, and this is the new style for cake cutting. I will soon update you with this decoration, how we have decorated and how we have made the tent. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so that जब भी मैं अपनी वीडियो अपलोड करूं तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। तो यहाँ हमारी सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट हो गई एंड वी हैव enjoyed a lot. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को एंड तक देखें जहाँ पर मैंने कुछ एनिवर्सरी के पोजेस जो हैं वो अपलोड किए हैं। आई होप आपको अच्छे लगेंगे। So friends, this is how we celebrated our anniversary and make it a very special one. So you can also make your anniversaries and your occasions very special by using simple decorations. So here are some pics. Here we are, how we have enjoyed. And there are some poses, anniversary poses. So you can also make your anniversaries and occasions special one by using simple things. So if you like this makeover, this decoration, please give up a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy it.